This is what I call below the Howser Dam. On the other side of that's lake. Into the Missouri. Well, it's all the Missouri. Walking down the hill here. Caught a lot of fish down here, but it's kind of deep. I'm going to try this side over here on that bend and then down around the other bend. If not, I'm going to walk across the dam and go around that side. Keep going down this river, you get to Beaver Creek. And if you go 100 miles, you get down to Great Falls, Montana. There is Emma and Ella. Smile. Smile, they're probably making fun of me right now. Why does your dad always taking pictures?
Are you going right here?
Yes. I'd love to live right there. Watch for snakes. There's a snake right there. Hey, there's always a snake. I always see snakes here.
I want to get it.
Catch it. The water's, oh, he's going in the hole.
Oh,
catch it. Grab his leg.
I don't want to.
Grab it. Grab it.
Ah.
It ain't gonna bite you. Ah. Oh, grab it.
Its tail's still right there.
Grab it.
I'm too scared.
Grab it.
I'm too scared.
Yeah, there's a water snake.
I'm so scared.
I don't think I've seen any rattlers down here. Oh shoot, I don't know if we can get down through here. The trail's closed off. Goddamn rain. Oh, if I had my waders. It's closed off, baby. Might have to go around. I'm not getting my new shoes wet. Oh, we might be able to cut across there. We'll cut across. Alright, I'm going to stop the video. No, we can't. Maybe up through here. Are you guys coming?
Yeah.
Push your way through.